What's up, everybody? It's your boy JR303 back at you with a little video we're going to be tackling. So I mentioned this in a previous video. So this is my setup, the Pro from Aero Precision. Anyways, so I've noticed when using this, and I had a problem on my other one. So see how we have a setup, and then we have the magnifier. But look, when you go to use your charging handle, you like get your finger jammed in there. Hard to get it over here. Then you can't really rotate because then it's going to flip on this side. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut this off. And then we'll smooth it, and then we'll have to do some bluing on it. So stay tuned for the befores and afters. Alright guys, so this is what we kind of got going. I put it up in this vise. I took a little piece of paper and I just made it straight across, so you see. So we're going to cut that off. Then I'm going to sand it down. I'm going to leave that. And then I think I'll round this off so it's not sharp, you know. I'll try to figure out some type of shape on it. We'll try that out. If I need to, I'll end up cutting back here. I'll just have to. I'm just trying to figure out something so I can make it. Or maybe I could still get it with my hand and get it off. Alright guys, so we got it done. Use some aluminum black. Pour in a little cup like so. So I gotta work on those coated areas, but see if we can get it back. Okay, so I'm putting it on there. You see it working, and it does turn it black. So right there, I a little faded. It kind of, you can see it. But one day I'll take this off. I gotta figure out how to take this off. And once I take that off, then I can take off all that coating and put that in and make it really match. But it does, it's a nice touch up, and you'll see the finished product. I'm just trying to get a nice coat on it. See, trying to touch up all the edges. That little black spot there is gone. Well, light spot, accent touch. It does work pretty good. And like I said, I'll oil it, and then it'll just, like I said, for now, see how it works. Alright guys, so here we go. Here's the finished product. What do you guys think? I oiled it. You can see that little seam. I shouldn't have tried to blend it there, but you can, it's worse on camera than in person, but it is all touched up. I don't think it'll be noticeable. So I polished it. I put some oil on it, and I am able to get it to unlock. I tried to tighten it, but it was. So put my own gun oil that I make. This is honey, but I used oil. I make 2 forms. Alright, till next time. Let us know what you guys think. I think it's a lot better look. Now I do the charging. Nothing's in the way. Nice and slick. Nothing hitting. I think it's going to be really good. Let's try it out on the range sometime.